those people who are concerned about sustainability, I think joining the Bamboo Bootcamp will open up the possibilities. Na kaya pala, it's possible to build a more sustainable future and use sustainable products like bamboo. Hello, my name is Karl Michael de la Cruz. I'm from Cebu, Talisay City specifically. And what I do for a living, I work as a user experience designer. Some call it UX design. Basically, someone who designs software, apps. And I'm here because I wanted to learn more about bamboo in the hopes of building my own hostel using bamboo in the future. At first, when I was looking at your posts on Facebook, I was hesitant to join, but I really like to use bamboo to build, again, like I wanted to create a hostel out of bamboo. I was hesitant to join, but then I joined one of your webinars, and in that webinar, I think Jed or the team was talking about these three parts of using bamboo. So that would be the supply, the process, and the utilization. And once I've seen that, okay, you can do utilization, which is, I think, still aligned with me as a designer. So I kind of said, like, yeah, I think who I am as a designer or as someone who wants to think creatively, I can really apply it into bamboo in the utilization side. So that got me into, like, okay, I'll sign up because this is where I want to focus my the things that I know, my experience. So different. What can I say? When you're just in the webinar, of course, you're just looking at it at a more theoretical level. But the Bamboo Bootcamp is beyond theory because you have lessons, and then after that you get to really be hands-on with bamboo, and that's when you really encounter like all those difficulties and creativity that comes with bamboo. So bamboo is let's just say it's a product that's not easily. You can't just say like, oh, I'll do this is what I'm thinking, and I'll mold bamboo to it. But you have to work with bamboo. Not bamboo does not work for you. You have to work together with bamboo. And yeah, comparing that to the theory which I've seen on the webinar, and comparing that to here, which is theory and then practice, and also there's after that there are insights, because we get to talk to each other and learn from one another, which is not you can see that on a webinar. So I think being in the bootcamp is so much different and so much better than just on the webinar. Yeah, parang surface lang, parang iceberg, yung nasa taas lang. There's so much more if you join the bootcamp. Most mahirap pa. That's hard kasi marami. There's a lot. Yesterday, making the music out of bamboo, that's one. It's a memorable experience. I think aside from meeting the legends and also networking and learning from other people, I think just being here, and especially when trying to build the parang hostel, not hostel, parang house, yung bamboo house, that's a very memorable experience because it aligns to what I want to do in the future. Yeah, building a hostel, and yun na talaga, like I've been talking to Marvin, and Marvs, I'm gonna go here every weekend because gusto ko talaga every weekend pupunta dito, and I'll be helping build it because this is what I wanted to do also in the future. And that's a memorable experience. Unexpected. The people. I think the people. I was when I first came here. Of course, there are experts and all that stuff, but it became very collaborative. Like just the first day, of course, we don't know each other, we don't know the instructors, but every day it's like, oh, it's very collaborative. I was just talking to the people downstairs, and we were doing the furniture. And it's not like fixed, you should do this, do that, but it's like, oh, maybe we should do this, maybe we should do that. It's so collaborative. They're very experts already, Jed, Diane, they're experts, but they still listen to our inputs. So it's very collaborative. That's it's not parang teacher, not teacher, but parang yung boss-employee na relationship. It's more of a You're just peers, parang ganun, yeah. Whew, I think I'm a little bit of an outlier for this course. The initial thought would be like those who wanted to join the Bamboo Bootcamp, they're either in the business side or they're already working as architects or engineers. So for me, I'm a bit of an outlier because I'm in the IT, and I think dalawa lang kami dito who are coming from the IT industry. But I think everyone who thinks about sustainability, yun talaga, I think there's a foundation here, and as what other the what you call this, the heroes, I forgot the legends were saying, thank you. The legends were saying that this is not, bamboo is just a tool. Bamboo is just a tool. Part of the foundation here is really helping your community, creating a more sustainable future. And for someone who has a daughter and wants a better life for my daughter, I just can't see myself na being part of a lifestyle that is not sustainable, because they will be inheriting the future. The children are inheriting the future. So those people who are concerned about sustainability, I think joining the Bamboo Bootcamp will open up the possibilities. Na kaya pala, it's possible to build a more sustainable future and use sustainable products like bamboo. In a way where if you look at what's happening in the world right now, we really need more sustainable options. And it's not just a parang fad lang, right? We really need to work towards building a more sustainable future. And it's, let's just say, because the Philippines is very rich in natural resources, especially bamboo. Our soil here is good, and our nature here is good. So we need to support that. And if you wanted the experience of Bamboo Bootcamp, it's about that. It's having that mindset of finding sustainable options, and bamboo is just a tool for that. And when you come here, you will learn parang from start to finish of how you can use bamboo, regardless if you are a designer, a businessman. There's always a connection towards that, and when you connect with different people, then you'll cooperate towards that future of sustainability. Sulit. And it's because parang from here lang, after this, I already have a business opportunity. I will partner up with some people here, and I'm opening up towards more yung mindset lang talaga na, I can really do I can really do this with bamboo, right? And that's why I'm saying, like, supply, process, and utilization, I can link up with any of those people na fit towards those, and then we can build something that we can say na, yeah, we did this for a more sustainable future. Yeah, sulit.